we're making Baiganee with eggplant, and we're gonna slice the eggplant really thin. So you're gonna need one whole eggplant. Okay, so we sliced the eggplant up and we have all of the pieces in the bowl. We're gonna take 2 teaspoons of adobo seasoning. We're making the dough or the paste to coat the eggplant for the Baiganee.
Right.
The soaked split peas, these will soak overnight, and we're using 2 cups. We're gonna put it right into the food processor. We're gonna add 4 cups of garlic. So we're gonna use half a teaspoon of saffron powder. I'm just gonna add it in. Half a teaspoon of salt. Use half a cup of flour. So we're gonna mix it up. And half a teaspoon of baking powder.
Half a cup of water.
So we're going to start with a 1/4 cup of water and kind of like moisten it up a little bit.
Yeah, just take half cup.
So we're gonna, so this is a half in total. Feels really good. Like this could be the inside of this stress ball right now. Like this is very therapeutic. I definitely recommend. Fill a bathtub with this.
Then you take an eggplant like this, right? Mm-hmm. And you take a little bit of on both sides. I'm gonna fry it.
This is really good, and I'm not even a big fan of eggplant.